put them in the windrow, some swath, some cut, but they all end up in a windrow where they can pick 12 rows up at a time. Just let them dry for a few days and then pick them up with the combine. When they cut them, they got to have some moisture in them, dew, so they don't shatter all the beans out of the pods. Well, they can be either shipped at that moisture or stored. Appreciate them. Yeah, mostly I just appreciate them. I always make chili myself, but not a white chili. You gotta have a real chili. You know, it's kind of your preference. Whatever you want to make, they're going to cook faster with the new crop.